Have you ever worked so hard on a video and then... Yep, that was me. My channel felt like a never-ending homework, boring and forgotten. But then I decided to flip the script. I tried one crazy thing and it changed everything for me. And boom, my channel exploded like a balloon on a birthday party. Even though I'm not getting millions of views on YouTube yet, I have seen significant results. But when you check my TikTok, it's on fire. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how I went from boring videos to videos that people actually enjoy. It is easy, you can even do it while you're asleep, as long as you understand the concept. Why my videos were boring? Let's hit the rewind button. Picture my old videos. Crisp, clear, and too boring. So boring they could put an hyperactive child to sleep. Step 1, understand your target audience. Step 2, know their pain points. My style was as boring as a math lecture on a rainy day. Imagine this, viewers clicking away faster than NEPA taking light on a rainy day. I knew something has to be changed. I wasn't trying just to teach, they needed to be entertained, to feel like they were on an epic adventure. Here is the secret sauce. Viewers don't want to watch a video, they want to live it. Let's say for example, instead of how to fix a lamp, think bigger and use something like the night my room went dark and how I fought the shadows. Ooh. Suddenly changing a bulb becomes an epic adventure, a battle against the focus of darkness. Even a simple pencil review can transform into pencil that stole my homework and heart. By turning a boring task into a roller coaster adventure, I created an irresistible connection. Trust me, when your audience feel like they are part of the journey, then they are hooked. So turn everything into a story. Ready to turn your next video into an unforgettable adventure? Here are 3 epic steps you can follow to do that. Step 1. Picture yourself as a superhero battling everyday struggles. Ask yourself, what's the villain here? For example, my phone died before my dream job interview. That's your cue for some epic drama. So always start with drama. Step 2. Maybe your heroic attempt went hilariously wrong. Did you slip on a banana peel? Did you spoil the birthday surprise? Or maybe your cat photobombed the scene. Let that moment shine. It is the twist that makes your tale unforgettable. Always add a funny or crazy moment. Step 3. Always leave your audience wondering. Like next time, I will show you the secret button that saved my life. A cliffhanger always makes your audience come back for more, eager to see what wild adventure awaits in your next video. It's like an ending of a blockbuster movie that leaves you thinking, I need to know what happened next. So always end with mystery. Let's take a moment and imagine. Everyday event is bursting with hidden potential. From cooking dinner to taking a stroll outside. Every moment has a secret story to be told. It's all about perspective. When you flip the script, life becomes a non-stop adventure. So don't settle for plain and ordinary. Bring in the drama. Transform every moment into an epic tale. So I decided to put this strategy into a test and I created a video titled 5 years from now, will you regret not starting? I went full on crazy on motivation. And guess what? People went nuts. The comment section exploded with messages like, this is beyond what I expected to watch. The fire was already burning, but you added gasoline. Subscribers started coming in. It wasn't just about the shock factor, it was the story. I took a simple weird moment and turned it into an epic adventure. Every reaction, every share, every OMG comment was a proof that my new approach actually works. It wasn't just about making videos anymore. I was inviting everyone into my wild, unpredictable world. Now let's break it down even more. Every story has a beginning, middle, and end. Think of it like your favorite movie. There's tension, climax, and then a satisfying wrap-up. But here's the twist. In your video, you get to be the director, the hero, and sometimes even the comic relief. Take a boring topic like my new bike. Awesome version, the time I almost crashed my bike into a pool. Imagine the excitement, the anticipation before the ride, the unexpected slip, and that splashy grand finale. Your audience live the moment with you. They feel the adrenaline, the shock, and the laugh out loud aftermath. And sometimes it's all about the little details. Describe the bright sun, the wind in your hair, the shock as the bike took a nosedive. The more you paint the scene, the more your audience are drawn into the adventure. Remember, it's not just about what happened. It's all about how you made them feel. Make it vivid, make it real, and most importantly, make it exciting. Now here's a little challenge for you. Look around. What's one everyday moment that could use a little sprinkle of magic? Maybe it's the way you spill your morning coffee, or the time you got caught in the rain without an umbrella. There is a story hidden in every twist and turn of your day. What unexpected twist happened that day? There are moments of panic, a burst of laughter that you can share. Can you add a quirky character, maybe your pet or your favorite mug, as part of your narrative? Let your creativity run wild. Sometimes it even helps to exaggerate a bit, just a little bit. It's all about entertaining your audience and taking them on a ride they won't forget. That's the beauty of storytelling. It turns the ordinary into extraordinary. Here are a few extra steps you can use to become a master storyteller. Don't worry if your first attempt feels off. The more you experiment, the better you become. Think of it like trying out different superhero poses until you find the one that feels just right. So practice makes perfect. Your audience loves you for who you are. So sprinkle your unique quirks, your sense of humor, and even your mistakes. It's the genuine moment that makes your story resonate. So be authentic. Ask them questions, share behind the scenes moment, and invite them to be part of your journey. When your viewers feel connected to your story, they become part of your adventure, and that makes all the difference. That's why engaging with your viewers is very important. Mix up your tone, pace, and visuals. Keep your audience guessing what comes next, whether it's a sudden twist or burst of humor. That unpredictability is the secret ingredient to an unforgettable video, so always keep it dramatic. Alright, it's your turn. Your homework for today. Pick your next video topic and make it a story. Example, my new bike, the time I crashed my bike into a pool. Boring, awesome. See, it's easy. Just ask yourself, what's the craziest thing that happened with this? Dig into your memory vault and pull out that wild, unexpected moment. And hey, if you feel a little stuck, maybe spice things up with a tiny bit of playful exaggeration. Just make it exciting. Remember, every great video just starts with a wild idea. So don't be afraid and let your personality shine through. Your audience is waiting for you to join you in your next adventure. Now go grab your phone and camera right now and film something wild. Start with, you won't believe what happened. Capture that burst of energy, that moment of madness, and let your story unfold like a roller coaster. And when your video blows up, come back and tell me, because you turned your everyday moment into epic adventure. High five to your future self. So remember, be bold and be creative, and most importantly, be you. And if you don't want to regret starting a YouTube channel in the next 5 years, then watch this video.